Hey guys, how's it going? DUJ2 here, and welcome to a very special unboxing, guys. Thank you for being here, guys. Thank you for watching, and a huge thank you to the Ridge Wallet, Ridge Wallet, for sponsoring this video, guys. In this package here, I hold something. Well, let me just show you guys what it is. This is, boom, look at that. Look at that. This was sent to me by Ridge Wallet. Thank you so much again, guys. I appreciate it so very much. They are incredible. They went ahead and they sent me this one to go ahead and check out, review, and to keep. And also, we'll be talking about the Ridge in this video. I'm going to show you guys the website a little bit. I'm going to share with you guys a very special promo code as well. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started, guys. We're going to go ahead and open this. I've already cut it open the back, so we're going to check it out. Let's open this up. This is, for those of you who don't know, oh, wow. It's like raised. That's so cool. It's like raised on here. That's awesome. Like I said, guys, this video has been brought to you by the Ridge Wallet. This is an incredible product. It's light, sleek, and industrial. It doesn't fold or awkwardly bulge in your pocket. It's amazing, guys. It completely changes the whole wallet situation. So here it says, you guys probably can't read this because it's backwards. The wallet redefined, titanium burnt. That's the one that I wanted. And in the back it says, carry less, live more. The Ridge Wallet is designed to streamline how you carry and organize your cards and cash. Expands to hold up to 1 to 12 cards. Goodness gracious. It's got RFID blocking. Very important in this day and age. You gotta have that. Modular design and backed by a lifetime warranty. Goodness gracious. Also, I did request for the cash strap option. Let me see, because there is a cash clip one, and there's a cash strap one. So let me go ahead and open this up here. I'm going to give you guys the first look. Let's see, what do we got here? The first look is, oh, it's a sticker. So we've got a sticker that says carry less, live more, the Ridge. And there is a little, I guess it's an instruction manual. All right, I'm gonna let you guys see this. So I'm gonna let you guys have the first peek at this. You ready? You ready? Oh, look! Wow, what? It comes with a little screwdriver. Okay, all right. Let's take a look here. Let's read it here. So the Ridge. Welcome to the Ridge. Getting started. Instructions are complicated, and we don't do complicated. I like that. Just empty your wallet, keep what you need, and toss the rest. Push out your cards using the cutout and fan them. I'm guessing the cutout's at on top there. Fan them. Oh, okay. Fan them using your opposite hand. Keep your two most used cards at the front and back to the wallet to maximize accessibility. Use the included Torx screwdriver, which is right here. I think I have this upside down, actually. Yeah, I do. There. Torx screwdriver. To make modifications to the wallet, i.e. swap from money clip to cash strap. Goodness gracious. It's guaranteed for life as well. Wow. Okay, if you ever feel your wallet isn't functioning properly, loose screws, or wearing elastic, visit us at ridge.com/warranty and we'll make it right. Goodness gracious, that is awesome. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this guy right now. Oh, feels so good. It feels so, okay, let's take a look. Let's take him out first. Wow, look at that. Look at that. So like I said, I got the burnt titanium one. It is absolutely incredible. There's a cash strap in the back. There it is. There's also a little screwdriver included here. That Torx screwdriver. Oh, wow. Wow, that's amazing. It says the Ridge on it. This is incredible. That's awesome. It's got also nothing else inside there. And a tiny little black envelope with, oh, extra screws. So if you need extra screws, there you are. If you ever lose one, that's pretty awesome. All right, let's take a look at the actual product. Here we go. There it is. There's the cash strap. So like I said, you can do a money clip or you can do a cash strap so you can put some cash in there. It's got, oh, that's really interesting. So this right here, if you guys can see right there, that is the elastic, the same elastic that is back here. So basically, as it expands, you can put up to 12 cards in here. I'm going to have to get 12 cards and just put them in there to see exactly how this looks, because this looks amazing. There is the little indent that you guys can see. So if we push that, let me push it. Actually, let me go like this, and I'm going to push it up. So if I push it up, there we go. See? The card starts coming out. So I'm guessing that's why they tell you to put your two most used on one side. So as you can push it up, you can just go ahead and take it out. There you go. This says the Ridge, the wallet redefined. Very cool. I love that. Carry less, live more. So there it is. And how do I put them in? Oh, okay. So basically, I don't know, you guys probably can't see this, but right here, there's actually a little cut in there. So you can actually just slide it in like this, and it just slips in there. There you go. Look at that. Goodness great. Okay, that is really, really awesome. This thing is incredible. It looks amazing. I don't know if you guys can see that. That looks absolutely incredible. I can't wait. Huge thank you. Thank you very much to Ridge. I really appreciate it. You guys are amazing. Thank you for sponsoring this video, sponsoring the channel. I super duper appreciate it. Let's actually go ahead and take a look at the Ridge website. So right here, if you guys can see the Ridge website, they have a lot of different things that you have. You have, of course, I guess the flagship item, which is the Ridge wallet. Right there's mine, the titanium bird. You got carbon fiber. Ooh, look at the carbon fiber. The carbon fiber looks really good, actually. I like that. Wow, look at that thing. Look at that. Okay, so definitely, I know what I'm getting some people on my Christmas list this year. I'm definitely going to be doing that. That is amazing. There's a bunch more there. And also, thanks to the Ridge wallet, I really appreciate it. They have been absolutely incredible. They are amazing. They've actually given me both a link and a code. If you go to ridge.com/PGNT, Pigginatti, so PGNT, you are going to be able to get yourself 10% off. 10% off. If you use the code PGNT at checkout, you get free worldwide shipping and returns. So huge thanks to the Ridge. I appreciate it. Thank you so very much for sponsoring it. I appreciate it so much. It's incredible. Let's go back and take another look at the website, because I got to show you guys more here. You've got a matte cobalt. You've got a gunmetal. You've got black. Oh, look at the white one. Look at the matte. Okay, I may have to get, for those of you who don't know, you know that oh man. Yeah, I'm going to have to get myself, I'm going to have to have like one for every day of the week or something. So I'm going to have to go ahead and get myself this one, I think. That looks amazing. But not only do they not just have wallets, these wallets right here, in multiple different designs, which is pretty awesome. You've got a gift card as well. Oh, there's an aluminum raw. Interesting. That'd be pretty, actually that would look really cool. That would look really awesome, because you could do some really crazy stuff for personalization there. But they also have other products. They've got, let me go back here. They've got bags, phone cases, multi-gear, mobile power, and etc. stuff. So like merch and stuff like that. So if you guys go ahead right here, let's go check out the bags. I was actually looking at the bags earlier. This bag right here, I'm actually thinking of maybe getting this. Oh, look at the white one. I think I might have to get this one. I've been looking for a really good overnight bag, and this one it just looks awesome. Look at that. That looks amazing. It looks awesome. It looks really awesome. So I'm definitely thinking of getting this. But yeah, they have multiple different items, multiple different products. Definitely, I recommend you check them out. And like I said, again, huge thanks to the Ridge. I appreciate them so much. If you go ahead and use code PGNT at ridge.com/PGNT, you're going to get yourself 10% off. So huge thanks to them for that. I don't know what to say. I'm so thankful. Thank you very much to them, to you guys for watching. It is just absolutely such an amazing thing. I'm getting a little choked up here. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Thank you very much, Rich, for sponsoring this video. Please consider using my code and going to that link. It'll be down below in the description as well. I'm just going to leave it here, guys. I'm going to go and find my wallet and get all of my cards. And I'm going to try. I don't even carry 12 cards. I think I carry like 5 cards, 5 cards and, a little bit of cash. So it's going to be perfect for me. Look how amazing that is. That looks absolutely gorgeous. Thank you very much, The Ridge. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you, guys. If you enjoy this video, if you enjoy what I do on my channel, please do me a huge favor and have yourself a fantastic day. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot, The Ridge, for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.